Hello. Okay. Hello. Hi, students. I am recording my screen since I am in a hotel room, so I don't have my board. And I just want to give you a quick overview of chapter 5 today and go over a little bit the exercise, the format of exercise 2, which has created some problems for some students. And then please follow the new schedule I sent you last night. I just sent you back the corrected exercises of chapter 4. So now you should start studying chapter 5 and study it all day, and then take the quiz, the second quiz, which is on chapter 4 and 5 with the same format as the previous quiz. And that you should send to me in email by tomorrow at your 8 a.m. Because I really need to 8:30, let's say. I need to download it before going to the airport, and I have an early flight, so that I can correct it on flight, on the plane. Okay, so thank you for your patience with this. Very quickly, this is so you are going to study chapter 5. That is basically a continuation of chapter 4 with other verbs, other Greek verbs, but also there are some nouns and adjectives. So in chapter in pages on pages 51 and 52 you have your usual list to memorize, and then sort of longish explanation notes, etymological notes from chapter 52 and 54. Pay special attention to those formed by the suffix ox, that means oxygen. Okay, that creates different compound words. One word about the format of exercise 2, which is the same format as you know in every chapter. So the word derivation, okay, more than compound words, okay, it's the word derivation exercise. Sometimes it's clear that you don't know how to put together the words, even if you know prefix, suffix, and the combining form. Okay, usually at least all the words have a combining form and suffix, and then sometimes they have also a prefix. Okay, and sometimes the connecting vowel. There are other connecting vowels, but are for Latin, for words that are created with Latin nouns. So for the moment, we have not studied them. So do not worry about those. For the moment, your connecting vowel is O. So I just wanted to give you this basic indication, which is not a rule, because it's not valid for every noun, but it can guide you for the moment in forming these words. Okay, so the basic indication is that at the end, you know that you have the suffix. The word next to the suffix, so the second word of the unit, okay, gives you the basic idea, while the one preceding that gives you the qualifying idea. So it qualifies the idea given by the noun before the suffix. Okay, so let's take, for example, the word prolapse of the heart. Okay, the prolapse, the sagging, is the basic idea, and then you have, it qualifies what kind of prolapse you have. Okay, so heart prolapse of the heart, it could be of something, of another organ. Okay, But in this case, it's the prolapse of the heart. So heart is the qualifying idea of the general idea of the prolapse. Therefore, heart comes first because the prolapse, the basic idea, comes immediately before the end, before the ending suffix. Okay. So you know that to express prolapse, you have the ending suffix osis that indicates the condition, the abnormal condition. That is the sagging root. Okay, so ptosis, the word will end in ptosis because the prolapse is the ending idea. And it's qualified by the fact that is a heart prolapses. Okay, so you have cardi, that means heart. So you start forming the idea, cardi, the qualifying, then the basic idea, ptosis, okay, and you form a cardiptosis, although it's not very easy to pronounce, so it's better if you put a combining vowel or cardioptosis. Then you can check both in the dictionary and you will see that in fact the real word is cardioptosis. Okay, it could have existed cardiptosis, but it doesn't. Okay, same for example for you have to write the word for any congenital or acquired muscle disease. Okay, the main idea is that it is a disease, and the fact that it is a muscle disease, it's a qualifying idea. Okay, so disease is pathy, which is you could break it down in path and why, because it's an abstract noun of the suffering root. Okay, but pathy like logi, okay, radiology, okay, with the suffix logi are usually just written as one word. Okay, you can break it down as okay, so both are fine. So this will end in pathy, but it's qualified by the fact that it's a muscle disease, and so muscle is me. Myopathy, it doesn't sound correct, so you put the connecting vowel, myopathy. Okay, myopathy, sorry. Okay, so this is basically it for today because of the time constraints of the conference, but I hope it's enough for you to work on chapter 5. Do all the exercises that you do all the exercises and write your question, but don't send them to me. Okay, just send them. Send me questions if while doing the exercises you have questions, and write questions on the feedback area and answer questions from your classmates. That is a very good exercise. The discussion is going well when you do it, but you need to do more about that. And take several hours to ask questions, wait for the answers before you take the quiz, so that you are learning. I have meetings on and off today, so I will every few hours I will check the feedback area and answer if I see that there are questions that are not answered by your classmates or that need correction. I will check email if you have specific questions for me, so that I can give you some feedback before you take quiz 2. Okay, and remember to send me quiz 2 before your 8:30 tomorrow morning, so that I can download it before going to my flight. Okay, I will upload the quiz in 10 minutes.